6 firemen were hurt. 3 had to be hospitalized after being electrocuted while fighting a house fire at number 8 7th Street in Greenwich Town early this morning. Kirk Wright has our report.
The firemen responded to the house fire at approximately 2:17 Tuesday morning, and while trying to douse the flames, they came in contact with live electrical wires.
3 of them would have suffered injuries serious enough for them to be admitted to the hospital. I visited all 3 this morning. Their injuries are considered serious but not life-threatening. And we are hopeful that at least 2 of them may be discharged from the hospital soon. The one who suffered the brunt of the electric shock, he's stable, he's speaking. They have slight burns on parts of their bodies. I don't want to get into too much detail in terms of the nature of the injuries because the doctors are still monitoring.
Early investigations point to wires that were illegally set up to provide electricity to the premises.
The situation has shown light on the whole matter of illegal connections and the danger that this poses to our firefighters, especially at night. We could have lost these 3 firefighters.
The other 3 firefighters sought medical help privately and are doing okay. The fire commissioner warns that the illegal connections pose a danger to not just households, but firefighters who may need to respond when situations like these arise. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.